What's good, YouTube? It's Nini Barcelini back again with another video. And today I have a chicken shawarma from King Shawarma Grill in Detroit. Make sure y'all like, follow, and subscribe. I'm hungry. It's so good. Let me take a bite. I should cut this in half, right? Or no? Like, girl, okay. We not going back to them no more. Cause look, it's falling open. Look, it's falling open. They didn't even wrap it right. Lord. That's good. That's good. Lord, have mercy. Yeah. I need to get me a microphone. I really don't like how I'm struggling to hold this closed. Like, really, like, oh my God. Girl, I'm struggling. Oh, no, no, no. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Okay. Okay, so we got a big bite. Mmm. Mmm. It's good. It's good. I'm struggling to hold it closed. Mm. Mm. I just, some say I wanted a shawarma. This bitch just fell open. Oh my God. Let me aim it. Yeah. Mm. It's getting hot in here. Let me go turn on my AC. No, let me turn this fan on. Because I already got the AC on. Shit. It's still hot. Lord, look. Okay. It's good though. Yeah, but it fell apart. Oh yeah. It's like a pickle. Lightning kind of light. Let's see something. It's hot. Yeah, what have y'all been up to? Anything, anything? Y'all been up to anything? Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. Woo. I'm sweating. Oops. This fan ain't eating on me. Alright now. Shit. So another big bite for a fall apart. Mmm. Mmm. Okay, it's good. Oh. And after this, I'll probably go pour me a drink and go smoke a blunt. But I miss my little boo thing. That's my boo thing. Girl. And I gotta get me a microphone so my burps could be even louder. Let me get a little bit more of that sauce. Let me get a little bit more of that sauce. Get a little bit more of that sauce, man. All right. You know what I'm saying? Just sad. I miss my little boo thing. But I guess he chose somebody else. Ooh. You couldn't take me to no restaurant. I was rumbling and rattling the tables with my burping and stuff. Stop here. I run everybody out that restaurant. They be like, what is that? It sounds like a bear up in here. I don't know who taught that little Arab boy to fry up a shawarma like this. But he did his thing. He did his little ordeal. Cute self. He was winking and blinking at me. I'm like, nah, boy. Want some more pickle. can't stop thinking about my boo. That's all. Whew. What else is going on? Sometimes when I told y'all when I'm not online, I be thinking of stuff to talk about. Then when I'm on here, I be forgetting. Like it's literally slipped my mind what the fuck I want to come on here and say. Oh, I'm still doing my 40-inch bust down wig giveaway. If y'all subscribe to my channel, and if y'all subscribe to my channel, y'all entering in to win a 40-inch wig from my collection. If you a man, give it to your woman. So y'all men can participate too. All y'all have to do is subscribe. And I enter y'all into the chance to win my a wig, a brand new wig. Make sure y'all subscribe. I'm done. Well, I'm about to go roll up. And relax. No table manners. Yeah, so y'all, I'm about to go. Today in Detroit, it is hot. It's 85 degrees. All right. Love you, YouTube. Let me know in the comments what y'all think I should eat next. Like, I just did a chicken shawarma. I'll think about it. I don't know. Maybe a seafood boil bag or something. I don't know.